Alright, man, this is my first kind of vlog, you know, testing out what I want to do. I was thinking of probably doing like car content, mostly car content and some live content, but I wanted to start like POV drives, you know, just chilling, car content, car beats, installing a whole bunch of stuff on my car, you know, just fixing my car up and basically doing all that, you know. That's what I wanted to start doing with this channel. Well, it's not even a channel yet, you know, it's just me fucking around with a camera. But basically, this is my car, Mustang GT 2020. I don't know if you can see. It's premium. It's nothing, no PP1, but it's just a premium. I have PP1 wheels and I have a PP1 spoiler, but you know, and a little lip, but that's it. That's about now. I have springs waiting for me. I have springs in my house. I'm just waiting to install them, you know. Right now I'm just chilling. I'm letting it warm up a bit because I'm about to head over to the bank because I gotta deposit a couple checks, you know, something, you know, something small. But yeah, I have some springs. I have an idea what I want to do. I'm gonna get headers. I'm gonna install that, take videos of that, you know, start everything up like that. But for the most part, this is what I want to do. Just POV drives, you know, just a lot of stuff with car related, you know, car related content, vlogging, lifestyle, you know, just everything, you know, in the mix, to be honest. But right now we just gotta do a little stuff, you know. We gotta do deposit checks. I gotta go take a phone to Verizon because my service went out on it, and I just have to do a couple like little things like that today, you know. And maybe this Saturday, well, I don't think I'm gonna make it a full one-day vlog, you know, but I'm pretty sure this Saturday I'm gonna like go out with the car homies or something like that. I'll probably vlog that too, record that a little bit, little drives and stuff, you know. But right now it's 11:23 and we're about to go deposit, and then I'll pick it up, you know, show you guys the car a bit, you know. It's really dirty because it was been raining crazy over here, and somebody fell into a ditch in my car. Nothing crazy, just a little ditch, you know. It's just a little dirty, but I have some photos. I'm showing them up right here, but it's nothing crazy, you know. But if I don't, then it's gonna cut to the next scene, you know. But all right, that's it for right now. Bank of America up there, but this is the car. Can't really see, but it's just a black PP1s, little tint, little PP1 spoiler, little Euro lights right there in the back. I have an exhaust. It's a MBRP catback, and then just that for right now. All right, so I kind of got caught up, so I had to rush that like showing you guys my 5.0 and all that, you know. But the thing is, I just deposited my checks, you know, but I caught a coworker there, so I was just talking to them for a bit, you know. But yeah, but I'm gonna do a video more in depth of my 5.0, like taking it somewhere and just like talking about it and like my plans and all that. But for now, we're just gonna be just, you know, just little daily content, you know. I actually do gotta go get gas right now though, because I'm running very low, 78 miles. But yeah, let's get it going, you know. Good day. And today's New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's Eve to you guys. Happy New Year's if I ever upload this shit. But yeah, we'll see. Alright, so I actually didn't end up recording another clip. It's just cutting straight to this clip. I thought I was gonna vlog more, I thought I was gonna do more, but I didn't end up doing like really anything at all. But right now we're gonna go meet up with my cousin, another 5.0. Probably just go drive around, make a POV. I don't know what video I'm gonna do yet, you know, but probably just drive around for a bit, wash our cars. I don't know, it's about to rain, so I don't know if we were gonna do that, but we're about to see what we do. You guys will see what we do, you know. But I'm pretty sure we're just gonna drive around, maybe POV around the city. It's 1:27 right now. And then yeah, we'll see what we do more. Probably some videos for TikTok and some other shit like that. But yeah, let's get it going. All right, so this is the other Mustang I put up to my cousin's house. My cousin Gabriel, fast guy, we're gonna call him that. What do you have done to it, bro?
Bolt-ons, headers, intake, EV5.
Yeah, you got your white side markers like me. He has a Euros. He has a Steeda, what is it, catback?
Yeah.
Steeda catback, some tips. Well, it comes with it. He has a 4-star B-locks. What were they called again, bro?
Drag radio, I guess you could say that.
Drag radio, basically. We're just testing out the camera right now, so you know how it looks for POVs. But yeah, bro, he got a mean ass lip that he's gatekeeping crazy. He don't want to tell me about.
It came with the bumper.
It came with the bumper, is what he's
I don't
saying.
know where I just tragic story, man. Broke my other one.
Yeah, broke his other one, got a whole new lip, bro. A little saggy eyeball, but ain't nothing crazy.
Hey, man, my car for sure down, but it knows what's up.
Yeah. He hasn't lost one race, huh?
Yeah, I did. I lost against the fucking Mustang.
But he has a PP1 pack, PP1 spoiler as well. That's the inside.
Basic, you know.
Basic, you know, compared to mine. Same shit, just I got leather sheets. That's really it. But right now we're gonna go pull up right now, catch a clip of his car, see like how it looks in the rain, how it sounds. Huh? Say I got a good spot to go to now.
Yeah, just for the sounds, you can really capture the exhaust.
Yeah, we're gonna
it makes echoes.
Yeah, we're gonna go see it right now. It's pretty rainy, you know. We'll see how it does with the wheels.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll see if we make it there. But fuck it, the next clip is gonna be like just us testing it over there, seeing what's up with it.
Alright.
Fuck it. Gotta get the rag, bro. Water's falling in and shit. Trying to be cinematic.
Dang.
Windows down. But nah, we're on the way right now to where his location. Want to see how it sounds over there, how it's looking. He said it's close, but let's see if it takes us like an hour away or some shit, huh?
Going to Mexico.
Oh my god, we're not coming back today. Well, fuck it. Let's see what's up. Damn. Alright, bro. I guess this is a spot he said they wanted us to here. I give him that. It's pretty quick. Oh, it's going pretty quick, bro.
Tragic.
Yeah, hell yeah. We're slipping already, bro. But it's nice. It sounds really good. Coming from a stock 5.0, bro,
yeah.
to this is different. But so I'm gonna say you're pretty happy with your car, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
It's pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck, bro, that should be ripping. That's the potential we want to hit. But yeah.
It's just hard to hit right now in the rain. I can't gas it.
Yeah. Well, fuck yeah.
Oh, nice.
Gabriel YSL POV.
Yes, sir. Let's go off-roading.
Let's see how it comes out, bro. Hopefully it doesn't turn into a dash cam.
For real, dash cam evidence, dog.
Tell me what you want to do with your car a little bit. You know, just talk.
Well, I mean, I got a CJ at the house. I've been meaning to install it. Haven't had time for it though, and just had a kid, so it's pretty tough. I need a SIG. And I just want to go full bolt-on cam, stalled gear, just keep it NA, you know, obviously do the supporting mods, oil pump, crank sprocket, make sure this thing don't blow up.
Nice little family car.
Yeah, nice little family car. Too, they sat for like almost a year before I used them.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it, but shit, we pass it up.
Yeah, man.
We ain't got that YouTuber money.
Nah, you got that construction money, and it ain't good.
My neck is red.
Shit.
Had that fool Hellcat Luis up here.
Yeah, Cloud Chaser. Yeah, he raced that S10, that nitrous S10.
Wasn't that what was his name?
Barber?
Yeah, Barber.
It's my boy right there. We've been racing up here for quite a while, but it doesn't really get recognized like that.
And this is your double gas.
Well,
Cuts out.
It's cool, man. I got 55 gallon 85.
Oh shit. Fucking dark. Barely leaving my cousin's house. We got a little video, a little glimpse. But I'm probably just gonna edit it together, put it into a segment so you guys can start seeing what we're gonna be doing. More of these type of videos. But yeah, getting used to recording and all this, but fuck it. I'll probably do a little POV and drive home right now so you guys can see. But peace out. So we better get home. Better start going home. Little POV drive to get home. I don't know why my shit's like nasty. It's like weird. Like I don't know what this is, residue or something, but yeah, we're gonna do a little POV drive back home. See how it is. Turn that audio off. So you guys can, yeah, you guys just seen that video. Well, I'm gonna see how I edit it together, but you guys are gonna see that video. Gabriel, my cousin, is probably see the video of him driving a bit, his POV, and then probably my POV and some other clips that I had to put together. But yeah, we just went, recorded, tested the camera out. Probably just see what type of videos I'm gonna end up doing. Most likely POV driving and like vlog, like lifestyle POV driving, just regular schmegular stuff. But yeah, we'll see. You guys can see good because it's low-key, it's a little raining. Or maybe it's my windshield wipers, to be honest. But yeah. Fast guy 5-0, huh? Still a lot of cars over here. You guys know that if you double press the gas when you're driving, you downshift? I don't know. It's only on Mustangs. Actually, I don't know if it's only on Mustangs, but I know that that's a little feature. I don't know if a lot of people know that, but yeah. It just sucks it was raining today. We had more plans to do more stuff. Like we were gonna go take some videos, some parking garages, some views, some flicks, just to get push more TikTok content out, more like short form content. But we got what we got, you know, little video, something to post. Is you gonna turn, my boy? like 6 or 7, right? That clock's an hour behind, so it's probably 6 right now, you know. But yeah, I might go to a gas station, take a picture. But honestly, to be honest, I don't know what I'm gonna do for the thumbnail. I know I'm gonna do the car. Come on, man. What's up with these guys? Hopefully it doesn't look bad, just because the windshield's very it's very bad. Very, I don't know what's up with it, but I need to give it a real good cleaning. But yeah. I hate when there's Ford Explorers behind you and you don't know if it's a cop or not. It's the worst feeling. Garfield right there, yo, ran across the street. Very close in general. Alright. That should be it, you know. Start posting more videos, vlogs, car content, everything coming up, and should be like one every 2 weeks, one a week. That really depends on how much content I get, you know. But yeah, on to the next video. So I see you guys. Peace out.